Hermione, Ron, did you see? This map shows that there is a mysterious magic school in Sweden. I am sure we will find this magic school.
Can we really find Harry? I have no idea about the magical world of Sweden. I can't wait to see the magical school here.
Magical school in Sweden? This is a little scary. What kind of magic atmosphere is there?
Are you ready for a Swedish adventure with Harry Potter? Sweden is a country full of magical creatures and legends. It is famous for its forests, lost under the snow, magical lakes and mystical mountains.
Yes, Harry, I checked the map. There is definitely a magic school here, and we are very close.
So what kind of place is Sweden's magic school? Do you think it's like Hogwarts?
Ha ha ha, Ron, I guess we have to find ourselves out there to find out. Perhaps the Swedish School of Magic has a distinctive style of witchcraft and rituals. Are you ready to discover the secrets of Sweden's magical world, meet mythical creatures, and make new friendships?
Of course, Harry, the magic of Sweden awaits us. Let's embark on this new adventure together. What do you think, Ron?
There couldn't have been a better opportunity to meet Sweden's magical school, Hermione. Come on, the doors of a whole new world are waiting for us.
The adventure is just beginning. We would like to see you among us. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Have a nice day.